I want to teach you guys how to make the Nigerian delicious Garri. Keep watching. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys how to actually make Garri, right from when we start the planting, right from when we harvest, and actually process the Garri. So keep watching. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So when you want to plant the cassava, look at this other side here. It has the front and the back, so you plant it through the side here. Yes, this is where you plant it from. Just shoot it into the ground like this. So you can see that's just basically what we are doing. The sticks, the cassava sticks. This is where we are going to just be taking it. This is how the sticks look. This is how the sticks look. You just cut it. Just cut the big side, then you put it into the ground like this, as you can see. You just put it here. You just need to do ridges like this, then you put in the sticks into the ground. So you are seeing from this other side here, we are harvesting some that we planted last year. So these are some of our harvests we already have. Yes, they are very, very big ones. So we are like harvesting some. To where we want to be peeling it, and also you can use the peels, you can use the cassava peels to feed our rabbits. Then we will use the main cassava to make Garri. Yes.
one of the reasons why you see him stacking the bags this way is to enable him use this manual machine to press out the excess water from the grounded cassava so that the garri can actually be dry and ready to fry. Yes, so that we should press out the excess water using this particular machine here. This is a manual machine, although there is an automatic one which is being used too. So this one here is a manual one, so it's used to press out the water from the cassava. So just keep watching and you will see how it's being used.